Hello everyone. Welcome to Java Basics Part 1. In this video we will learn how to write a Java program. Before going to write a Hello World program, you need to make sure to download Java 8 version in your computer. If you know how to download, then skip this part, and if you don't know how to install Java 8 version, means you had to listen and you had to watch this. Okay, let's get started. Before to do that, uh, I given the link in the I give the link in the description. You just download it and click next and installation. After installing the Java 8 in your computer, then go to the path like this PC, C, and here program files, and there you just find Java, and then here JDK 1.8 is there. So go, after that go here and this copy, then again where it is, this PC, right? So here this PC and properties, advanced system settings. Here in advanced system settings, click on environment variables. So here path, edit, and then just add new, and then add this path. Okay, actually I've already added here, so that's why I can't add one more time. So where it is, my Java, see program files, system32, compiler, and see here I already added. Okay, so click on OK, OK, and OK. After installing the software, you just check it, open your CMD and just Java hyphen version. Okay, or check Java C, like that. If you see in this way, then you're successfully ready to start programming by using Java 8. Okay, okay, let's get started. So for writing Hello World program, we need to understand some basics. What is the basics means? For writing Java program, before writing the Java program, we need to know what is the printing statement for printing purpose. Because if you know the printing statements, then you can print anything, not only hello world. So if you open Notepad, then actually in humans way we can read it hello world, but the compiler, the underlying the language, it doesn't know what it is means, because it's human readable, not machine readable. So to converting the human readable language to machine language, we need compilers. So in this way, actually sorry, in here the Java C is the compiler for to compile the Java program. Okay, so and there is, for writing Java program, we must placed inside the class block. Whatever code we write it here, it must be placed in between the, we must be placed in the class block only. So here we write the code. So for printing, right now our main intention is writing hello world program. Okay, for writing hello world program, what we know is, we just, what is the output here, we just printing hello world. Other than that we can't do anything, right? So for printing purpose, this hello world is our final output. So for how to write hello world, so for printing purpose we are using system.out.print, or you can use it system.out.println also. Then what is the difference print and println? The name itself tells print means it's just printing hello world and the cursor stops at that point only. If you write system.out.println means it's write hello world and the cursor will move on to the next line. So this is the difference. So and if you know how to print the statement, so class and here class name, and then if you're writing in this way, it must and should ends with semicolon, otherwise the program will throw an error because the compiler doesn't know what it means. Okay, so the actual syntax is system.out.println, where in these parentheses you can write whatever you want, but if you write in the string means it must be enclosed within the double quotes, otherwise again it throws an error. Okay, okay, then if you write in this way means it's absolutely correct but not executing, because for standalone application the starting point or the main entry is main. The compiler will start execution from main method onwards, so we must and should place the main method if you want to execute this program. If you write in this way means actually it's right, but the syntax what Java compiler follows, the syntax for main function is public static void main string, s is capital, and aux. So it follows in this way. Then here, before printing this statement, before executing this program, we must learn some naming conventions. Then what naming conventions? Naming conventions is a set of standards, because you can write anything you want, but the class name must and should be a valid name. I mean, it must be a some readable name. Like if you write class one, in that class one you writing any sum at the addition of two numbers. If you perform addition of two numbers means if you class name is class one means you can't understand what code inside there. So the class name must and should be a meaningful name. So in this case, we are printing hello world. So that's why we are writing here hello world. If you're writing this hello world, either in capital letters also, but it's not any good practice. So that's why we need to learn some naming conventions. The naming conventions is for writing the class name, the first letter must be on capital letter. So class class is a keyword, so we will discuss this later, but at this moment class name must and should be starts with capital letters, so hello world. And you can write in this way also, but the first letter must and should starts with alphabetical only, not a number. And you cannot write in between the class name, you cannot put the space because it throws an error. And for writing this you can use hello underscore world. Okay, other than that it doesn't allow any special characters. And then finally that's it. It's related to class, but it's related to methods. We'll discuss about later, because right now we're just talking about the class and class naming conventions. So at this moment, this is sufficient. So tomorrow we will learn some more stuff. Okay, have a great day.